Okay. So, Dr. Nachman, what is this again?
It's called an electroscope.
Okay.
It's all made of metal, but it's mounted on an insulating lucite plastic base.
Okay.
I've got a glass rod and a piece of rabbit fur. And by rubbing the glass past the fur, we're making a transfer of electrons.
So the fur is transferring electrons to the piece of glass.
I believe that's correct, but this
Okay.
experiment doesn't allow us to tell that that's what's going on. And if I bring the glass close to, but don't give actual contact with the brass disc, then the negatively charged glass repels electrons in the metal so that all the metal pieces feel as if they have a surplus of negative charge, and then when I withdraw the glass, they go back to being neutral.
Okay.
But if there's an actual transfer, go ahead.
So since the metal really likes to transfer electrons from itself, the electrons have nowhere to go. So therefore, that's why the metal piece in the middle is bending, right?
Swinging, I don't call it bending.
Or swinging, sorry, yeah.
We've now made direct physical contact between the glass rod and the brass disc. And some of the excess of electrons that were on the glass have now been transferred to the metal. And they distribute themselves so as to get as far away from each other as they can. So there are electrons all the way around that black ring, all the way down this aluminum post, and even on the swinging pin, since the electrons, the excess electrons in that pin, would like to get as far away from the electrons in this post as possible, the pin swings away.
Okay. And then if I
discharge
it.
You still had excess charge. Let's see if
Yep.
I still have excess charge. Yeah, I'm not a good conductor.
Looks like we all do, huh?
Let's see if we can get some of that charge onto one of these. This is a styrofoam ball wrapped with aluminum foil. I'm going to see if I can get some of that charge to transfer onto that. Very little. Notice, however, that the foil wrapped balls do not want to touch each other. Oh, there they go. But there's a transfer. No? If I get foil to foil, they repel each other because they both have the same charge now. See that?
Yep.
If I could get them oppositely charged, if I could get one that was oppositely charged, you'd see them swing toward each other.